Well, he's down, ratcheted over just a little bit. So the numbers on the side, I'm gonna put you guys over and underneath if I can. It looks like a 360, but I'm not quite sure. So I'm just gonna say that it's a 318 for now. I cannot find the VIN number. Oops, I'm on the cord. Cannot find the VIN numbers to the frame over on this side because it says it's on the passenger side someplace over here. But I've looked and I scraped a little and I can't find them. So if anyone knows exactly where they're at, let me know, and know exactly where to look for on the frame here. So it's on the passenger side by the bumper. I've looked in and out. It's not anywhere to be seen. And this is the same kind of four-wheel drive system as in Macho Man, which we'll go over to real fast. Yeah, wind's picking up. Wasn't earlier. And of course, go past little Jericho here. Yeah, see? It's the same kind of setup on the Macho Power Wagon. Which I'm going to be messing with this in the next couple of months to see if I just get it started. Yeah, see, look at that. Same setup and all. So technically, I got first gen of a Power Ram, but I don't know what gen of Power Wagon this is. So technically, I got two Power Wagons, two short boxes. One an automatic, one a 4-speed. But as I was putting out in the other video, yeah, it's been sitting for a while. Dirt has collected. I just need to get some oil down those and kind of mess with it a little bit. Of course, I'm gonna vacuum out those spots. So yeah, I hope this engine's good, savable. But just have to see. And since I'm gonna be extremely busy this summer, I'm gonna ask my brother-in-law to come over, see if he can help out with stuff. Yeah, spark plugs out. It's a 2-barrel. I'll change it over to a 4-barrel. So no big deal. Yeah, power steering, air conditioning, and this guy even has air conditioning stuff in it. Little extra accessories over there. Yeah, I don't know if is the clutch connected? Looks like it is. Didn't feel like it was connected. It might be missing some stuff. I don't know. No, I see the rod right there, the engage rod. So, looking at this a little bit more, of course, okay, let me get you guys underneath, like I said. So I do apologize for the camera. I don't know where this is exactly gonna go. It's gonna go for the numbers right there. So if you guys get dizzy, or anyone does, please look away, because I don't know how this is gonna look. I don't know how. Oops. Find a spot here. Can I? Let's see. I can barely see the camera. Gosh dang it. Get past the clutch. Well, looks like I really can't. Let's see here. Oh man. Now it's too far back. Looks like I have to go up to about right here. So, okay, so here we go again. Oh, if I can. Oh no, I cannot. So, I mean, everything is connected underneath here. Let me get you guys at an angle, because let's see. All right, there's a number. Let's all run that, see what it is, because this is married. It's all married. Yeah, I even have a, they put one of those skids on it too. Oh, I didn't know my e-brake was loose. That's okay. But yeah, here, let me get past this cord here. Because looking at that, this is a Power Wagon. Because like it showed on the Macho Power Wagon, you know, Macho Man. It's the same thing. I'm looking at the same thing. So it just changes up right here because it's a 4-speed. So I want to see those numbers because I can't find my wire brush anywhere. And I can't get back there to look. So I like to say it looks like a 360. But I'm just going to label this as a 318 for now until I can get stuff scraped. Because like I said, I can't find my wire brush anywhere. And I can't find nothing proper to scrape back in there. And I don't want to get a screwdriver and possibly damage the numbers, you know? So yeah. But again, looking at the engine a little bit more. I mean, it's very interesting. Very interesting. So I'm hoping that the engine's good. So let's see here. Yeah, past my excitement. First I thought, you know, someone was converting over, but no, it's a cab swap. So I do apologize on that. Oh, wait a second here. No wonder the floor went down. It's cracked. That's an old crack. I just felt the floor move. Let's see how bad that is. Okay, it'll hold me. Let's get the camera past here. Yeah, because on the shifting knob, right there, so, ooh. Yeah, first, second, third, fourth. I normally got it in reverse. There we go, there's reverse. Yeah, and I still don't know on how to operate these Power Wagons. I learned how to do little Jericho, but they say that these are all-wheel drive. So, and I don't know how to shift them put them in, you know, driving on the road, stuff like that. So if anyone knows how to do that, please comment down below, because I can't find nothing online. Oh, I just noticed I got a brake booster. Okay. But yeah, got stuff for AC over here. Standard for radiator, and then I got AC unit, which is interesting. This cab too has AC. Extra accessories for it. I don't have the proper gauges. Yeah, because this is the wrong kind of year and it's busted, but that can be fixed. But yeah. So it's got 47,000 miles on it, but I'm gonna say that's probably flipped. So I'm gonna say 147,000. See what we got in the glove compartment, because I know the fuse, but yeah, right there's the fuse box. Oh, there's the female sunglasses. Oh, hold on here, we gotta. So where did this come from? Oh, Gilmer, Texas. I'm not gonna advertise. So this cab came from Texas. Storage. That's still there. Interesting. Yeah, so Texas cab or Texas truck. Well, I'm gonna say the cab is from Texas, but I don't know where the frame's from. I really want to find the VIN on it, but I can't. Ooh, I got a rock stuck right there. Oh, never mind. So let's see, everything's hooked up. So I think the brakes need to be redone a little bit. I need to put that block back with the trailer. Yeah, it's really not too bad in honesty. So now I need to find 2 boxes. One for this, one for Macho Man. But this one though, since someone was already starting to customize, adventure sport, I figured as soon as I get this stuff moved over, I'll make a custom emblem. Adventurous Sport Wagon. Why not? Make it a custom build. So this is the last one to buy. There's 2 more left to haul, and then we gotta mess around with the car hauler, and we gotta see about putting an extension onto that. So not too bad. This is the last and final purchase. I didn't expect to get this. Something told me to look over on this and look it over and look it over and look it over again. And again, I do apologize. I got excited. It's like, someone did a 4x4. It's like, no, just a cab swap. So, it happens. And when I get excited like that, you all know, it's like I kind of overlook things. So, well, my 3rd 4-wheel drive Mopar, and my first 4-speed. Reminds me just like a Ford, the first, second, 3rd, 4th, and then reverse. That's just natural. But I'll have to wrench it over there, get it out of the way some, and just kind of go from there in honesty. So I'll end this video there. Not much to really go by on this vehicle, because there's not much there. So thank you very much for the support that you've shown us for this 1.5 years, or almost 2 years now here on YouTube. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. I don't know what this week's going to be like, because this will be uploaded on Wednesday. It's supposed to be a lot of rain, but yeah, it is what it is. So I'll end this video there. So y'all have a good night. Take care and stay safe. See you later, and thanks again.